Hi guys, today I will show you how to hack Minecraft, but I don't think it works on servers. Let's try it out. First, you need to get Mcpe. Oops. Second, you need a toolbox for Minecraft. You can get it from playstore. Let's test it out. That it will show black screen. So that to continue. See that? I don't think there's yet. Create new, generate random, and let's play.
Anjay, ikaw, ano yan? Ba't nabuksan yung ano ko? Ha? Ba't nabuksan? Wala?
Building another terrain. You see? Yeah. Fuck. Shit. Settings. Nga mo na kayo. Touch. Split control. Look at this. That's the cheat. Not shit. You can, if you break woods, it will be, oh fuck shit. That can be fly. Yeah, and you're flying. Second, you can get items, inventory. You can get anything you want. Example, like diamond. That. It works on survival. Make sure you test it out. Alright. Fuck shit. We're all ready. And there's cheats, immortality, to kill, automatic to walk through walls, to block high jump, auto leave, the wall. Look at that shit. Ouch. Oh no. Fuck. You can fly. Look at this. I'm not in creative. And if you see this, there's nothing in here. That's all. Thanks for watching.